What if I told you that half the tasks you do every single day could be running themselves right now, in the background, without you lifting a finger, copying data between apps, sending follow-up emails, organizing files, summarizing documents, posting to social media, all of it automated? And what if the tool that does this is completely free, open source, and actually lets you use AI to make decisions along the way? That tool is called n8n. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set it up and build your first automation workflow. From scratch, no coding required. Let's get into it.
So what exactly is n8n? At its core, n8n is a workflow automation tool. Think of it like Zapier or Make, but better in almost every way that matters. It uses a visual, node-based editor where you drag and drop blocks to create automations. Each block or node performs a specific action. One node might trigger when you receive an email, the next might extract the important information, the next might send that data to a spreadsheet, and the next might post a notification in Slack. The beauty of n8n is that it connects to over 400 services out of the box, everything from Google Sheets and Gmail to Discord, Notion, Airtable, Telegram, and yes, AI models like OpenAI's GPT, Anthropic's Claude, and local models running on your own machine. But here's the part that really sets n8n apart from the competition. It is free and open source. You can self-host it on your own server or computer and run unlimited workflows without ever paying a monthly subscription. Zapier charges you per task. n8n charges you nothing if you host it yourself. For anyone who has ever hit Zapier's task limits and gotten a massive bill, this is a game changer.
Let's talk about getting n8n up and running. You have three main options. Option 1 is the easiest but costs money for heavy usage, n8n. Cloud, you just sign up at n8n.io, pick a plan, and everything is hosted for you. The free tier gives you a limited number of workflow executions per month, which is fine for testing. If you want simplicity and do not want to deal with servers, this is the way to go. Option 2 is self-hosting with Docker, and this is what I recommend for most people who want the free unlimited experience. If you have Docker installed, you can launch n8n with a single command. You just run docker run with the n8n image, map a port. Set a few environment variables for your time zone and encryption key, and boom, n8n is running on your machine. You open your browser, go to localhost :5678 and you are in. Option 3 is using npm if you have Node.js installed. You run npx n8n and it launches directly. This is the quickest way to try it out, though for production use, Docker is more reliable. For this tutorial, I am going to assume you are running n8n locally, either through Docker or npm. The interface is identical regardless of how you install it.
Now for the fun part. Let us build your very first workflow. When you open n8n, you will see a blank canvas with a single button that says Add a Trigger. Every workflow starts with a trigger. This is the event that kicks everything off. It could be a schedule, like every morning at 8 a.m. It could be a webhook, meaning an external app sends data to n8n. It could be a new email, arriving, a new row in a spreadsheet, a new file in a folder, or even a manual click. Let us build something practical. Imagine you want to get a daily news summary delivered to your phone every morning. We start with a schedule trigger set to run at 8 a.m. every day. Next, we add an HTTP request node to fetch news from a free news API. This pulls in the top headlines. Then we add an AI agent node, which is where things get really interesting. We connect an open AI model to it and give it a simple instruction. Summarize these headlines into 5 bullet points, each one sentence long, written in a friendly and engaging tone. Finally, we add a Telegram node to send that summary directly to our phone. We connect all the nodes by dragging lines between them, and we have a fully functional daily news digest workflow. Click Activate and it runs automatically every single day.
This is where n8n truly separates itself from older automation tools. n8n has a full suite of AI nodes that let you embed artificial intelligence directly into your workflows. There are AI agent nodes that can reason, make decisions, and chain together multiple tools. There are AI memory nodes that give your workflow context from previous runs. There are tool nodes that let an AI agent call external APIs, search the web, read, and write files, or query databases, and there are model nodes for GPT, Claude, Gemini, and local models through Alama. Let me give you a real example that you can build right now: a customer support autoresponder. Your trigger is a new email to your support inbox. The workflow reads the email, passes it to an AI agent with a system prompt that says, "You are a helpful customer support agent." Read the customer's message, categorize it as billing, technical, or general, draft a polite response, and if the issue is urgent, flag it for human review. The agent then uses a tool node to search your knowledge base for relevant articles, drafts a response based on what it finds, and sends it back through Gmail. Urgent. Tickets get routed to Slack for immediate attention. This is not theoretical. This is a workflow that takes about 20 minutes to build in n8n and would save a small business hours every single day.
Let me give you 5 automation ideas you can build today. Number 1. Social media cross-posting. When you publish a blog post on WordPress, n8n automatically creates social media posts for Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, each rewritten by AI to match the platform style. Number 2. Lead qualification. When someone fills out your contact form, an AI agent analyzes their message, scores the lead, adds them to your CRM with a priority level, and sends a personalized response within seconds. Number 3. File organization. When a file lands in your downloads folder, n8n reads it, categorizes it based on content, and moves it to the right folder in your cloud storage. Receipts go to accounting, contracts go to legal, photos go to your media library. Number 4. Meeting notes. After a meeting, you drop your recording or transcript into a designated folder. n8n sends it to an AI model that extracts action items, key decisions, and deadlines, then posts the summary to your team's Slack channel and creates tasks in your project management tool. Number 5. Price monitoring. n8n checks product prices on websites you specify at regular intervals. When a price drops below your threshold, it sends you an instant notification with a direct purchase link. All 5 of these are achievable with n8n's free tier and basic AIA PI credits that cost pennies per run.
Let us recap what we covered. n8n is a powerful, free, open-source automation platform that connects over 400 services and lets you build complex workflows without writing a single line of code. You can install it with Docker or npm in minutes, and the visual editor makes creating workflows as simple as connecting blocks. Every workflow starts with a trigger and chains together actions, and the AI nodes are what make n8n special. Let your automations actually think, reason, and make decisions. Start small. Build one simple workflow like a daily summary or an email autoresponder. Once you see how it works, you will start seeing automation opportunities everywhere. And once you start automating, you will wonder how you ever lived without it.
If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tutorial. I post new AI and automation content every week, and each one is packed with practical tools and techniques you can use immediately. Drop a comment below telling me what workflow you want to build first, and I might feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.